Hello kids, how are you? All fine? Perfect. So children, once again I welcome you to your online art and craft class. Children, do you remember we had made animals with numbers, isn't it? Like we had made a tortoise with number 1. Where does tortoise live? It lives on land. What is the phonic sound of tortoise? T. T. Tortoise. We had made a duck with the number 2. Is duck a domestic or a wild animal? It's a domestic animal. And can you tell me what is the phonic sound of duck? Duck. 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 Very good. Now we had also made a cat with number 3. Is cat a domestic or a wild animal? It's known as pet animal. Now, can you tell me what is the phonic sound of cat? K. Can you tell me what comes after K? Duh. Yes. Now, do you remember what had we made out of 4? Yes, we had made a camel. What is the phonic sound of camel? K. K. Camel. And where can you find a camel? In a desert or in water? Yes, we can find camel in deserts. So children, we will now make animals out of numbers 5 and 6. What all things are you going to require? You will need your color pencils and your school copy with your pencil and eraser. So at first we will give today's date 28 CW. We will write the number 5. Just follow the way I am doing. Are you able to guess the animal now? What have we made? Any guesses? Does it look like a rat? No? Then does it look like an elephant? No? Then yes, it looks like a lion. So we have made a lion through number 5. Do you know lion is king of jungle? Lion is known as the king of jungle. Can you roar like a lion? Yes, that's nice. Now let's color the lion. Now tell me the phonic sound of lion. L. L. Lion. Now we will write 6 here. Follow the way I am doing and let's see what is it going to be now. Can you guess the animal? What does it looks like? Yes, it looks like a rabbit, isn't it? No? Then what does it looks like? Is it a snake? No. It looks like a fish. Why? Because fish have fins to swim. Now, time to color our fish. Tell me the phonic sound of fish. F. F. Fish. Now tell me children, where does a fish live? Fish lives underwater. Fish lives underwater. So let's draw some water. And where does a lion lives? Lion lives in forest. And in forest, what do we find? Trees. So let's draw a tree. Now let's color it. So children, hope you had enjoyed the video. Till then, take care, bye and see you soon.